Hello humans, welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the review, we'll talk about how to make real money on the internet. So if you are interested in making real money online, then make sure you watch the video till the end from here on. However, if you are only interested in watching the review, then you can fast forward the video and watch the last 7 minutes of the video. So if you are interested in making money online, then you will find some links below. And also if you want to know what bonuses these are, because I will give you these 3 bonuses. So if you want to know what they are and how you can get them, then make sure you watch the full video, okay? So starting here below my video, you will find some links. The number one method, recommended method by me, which obviously I am doing currently right now, which you can see is YouTube. It's not hidden, okay? So you can see here it says get YouTube channel monetized and make money. So if you click on this link, click on that link right there, then you will come to this page here and scroll down, enter your name, email, and then you will get the instructions to your email. And you can watch this testimonial as well. You can see how this channel was monetized just in 2 weeks. Okay, it's a big deal getting YouTube channel monetized. That is in 2 weeks. It's unrealistic. Okay, so go and see this testimonial, and then you will get these results yourself if you follow the training. Okay, and it's almost guaranteed. I would say it's 99.9% guaranteed if you do exactly what you're told in the what you are told in this YouTube training. Okay, and you will get your channel monetized maximum within 4 weeks. Okay, so once you come to this page after that, okay, you will come to this page after that where it shows you Traffic Jarvis. That's the name of my program, YouTube program. Okay, and it's for serious people who want to make some income on YouTube, because YouTube gives you free traffic and multiple sources of income. So this is a full-blown YouTube course, 16 plus hours long. Okay, and number one source of income could be YouTube ad revenue for you, because when you are watching my video, you're watching some ads in this video as well, right? So when you see ads, YouTube pays me a little bit of money, okay? And that little bit of money could be this much, okay? So I have made all this money just by making these videos without selling. I did not sell anything and still made this kind of money, okay? Now let's scroll down. You can watch more testimonials here, and then let's talk about this here, because this is what I made by offering my consultation services one-to-one. Okay, so people will talk to me one-to-one. They will ask their questions related to whatever expertise I have. I have SEO expertise, affiliate marketing, YouTube. I have multiple expertise. Okay, so I have been making money on Stripe. You can see here. So that's something you can utilize if you have that skill. For example, you are some consultant yourself, you're some this immigration consultant, lawyer, you have some you are some professional, you can make a YouTube video and charge people for your time. Okay, and then I have some affiliate marketing income proofs here. You can see these are all affiliate income proofs. I am not showing you millions, because what matters is that you make money. Okay, if you are on zero, that means nothing works. But if if you make your first $1, $10, that means it works, and then you can scale that up. Okay, so YouTube gives you free traffic. If you are really interested in making free money, then all you have to do is be comfortable in making YouTube video. I don't come on the camera. Just imagine this. This guy does not even come on the camera, still makes money, still gets sales. Let me show you here if I come back. Or rather, I'll show you this system first, because if you go below, then it will make sense to you. So it shows you get 100 email leads per day. So this system will give you 100 leads per day, and then you can email them any offer of your choice once every single day. So I had been using the system itself, and you can see the system had been making me this kind of reoccurring commission every month. Okay, reoccurring, never ending, never ending, never ending, never ending. It just doesn't stop. It will not make you rich. It will not make you like go boom boom, but you can see $5 here, $5 there. Okay, so if you see the date, recent times, 23rd of June, 23rd of June, so you see this is all recent money. It's not old screenshot, it's all recent. Okay, then some money here, some money is coming here, some money is coming here. So it all works as long you're willing to do the work. Okay, so if you want to make money online, seriously, YouTube is what you need. Okay, and then you can check out this 100 leads program. If you want to get into email marketing and get these leads, you can go and get it. And you can check out my Warrior Plus products. So if you come and click on this link, you can buy my own Warrior Plus products here. So this is the Shim AI. Right click and open, and it will give you awesome images, meaning you go and create the prompts using the software. Go and watch the demo. And once you follow the training, then you will be able to create images like these. Okay, so you can create images for your any offer. Okay, and then second link is about launch to profit AI. So if you are into affiliate marketing or any marketing, and go and watch the demo video first, because it will generate all the campaigns for you. Okay, all you have to do is tell the software a few keywords and it will generate the reviews, articles, email scripts, you name it, we have it. Go and watch the demo video. Okay, I think then we have bonuses, or we have one more thing, book one-to-one consultation. So if you want to speak with me one-to-one, then you click on that link, scroll down, and you can click on book now, make the payment. This will cost you $97 to speak to me for 40 minutes. Okay, so you go and make the payment for $97, and we can speak to you one-to-one audio call, and you can ask me any questions you have. Write down your questions, ask me, talk to me one-to-one for 40 minutes. Okay, so you make the payment, and then you email me your timing on this email address, that when do you want to speak. We can mutually discuss the timing. Okay, or if you have any questions, you can email me even before making the payment. Okay, now let's discuss the bonuses. So bonus number one is free email autoresponder, because when you want to do email marketing, you need to have an email autoresponder. So you will get that. In a case tracking training, you will get free copy. This is 2 hours training. So this is what case tracking looks like. 2 hours, 9 minutes. What this does, it teaches you the same thing which I am doing or which others are doing. For example, if you want to make these review videos, you want to know how to find these software, how to find these products and everything, how to make the video, how to start a YouTube channel, all this is covered inside this 2 hours training. You will get that free if you buy from me. Okay, third is forex profit machine. So in case you are interested in learning about forex trading, this is a 11,000 words PDF guide. So you will get all these bonuses if you go and buy from me. Okay, and if you go and buy the product for which we're gonna do the review now, then you will get these bonuses automatically delivered. Okay, but if you go and buy one of my products, then you have to email me and I will send you the bonuses manually. Okay, so if you are confused at any point of time, you can always email me on this address. Okay, so if you're serious about making long-term income, just like I have shown you enough proofs, I have shown you all my platforms. Money keeps coming here, keeps coming there. I'm not showing you millions, but I'm showing you it works. Okay, so if you want to make it work, then YouTube is the free traffic source. If you don't want to spend money in bringing traffic, then you have to make videos. That's free traffic. Okay, so if you're interested in making money on YouTube, because YouTube gives you high quality traffic, if you consider yourself high quality, if you consider myself high quality, then we have to come on YouTube. Okay, so again, if you're serious about making money on the internet, then go and get started with this traffic Jarvis, the link below my video. And that's it. So if you want to speak to me, the consultation is right there. Thanks for watching so far. Subscribe, like, and share. Don't go anywhere. We're gonna start the review now. Alright, humans, let's do this Big 10 Traffic 26 review. So let's get to the sales page where it says our biggest ever traffic offer, Big 10 Traffic 26. Place any URL on 10 times traffic rotators for daily traffic from 10 times sources. No experience, email list, or tech skills required. By the way, if you do not understand what rotators means, it means spam traffic. Okay, you might disagree with me, you might have a different definition for this, but for me, rotators means spam traffic. Do you know when sales comes? Sales comes in two ways. Okay, when you create the need or the person is in pain and you have a solution, that's one reason the sales will come. Or the second reason will come that they don't really care if they want it or not, they just want it because they like you. Did you hear me? Sales come in two ways. They have a problem, you have a solution, or your product has a solution, you will get sales. They don't need to know you, you don't need to impress them. You are fixing their problem, you're removing their pain. Okay, they will buy. Second scenario, they don't even need that product, still they will buy just because they like you, or they like your work, or your hard work, whatever you want to say. Okay, everything else is bullshit. So rotators here, you place your link and you get traffic. What traffic? You go on the streets, you have traffic out there, but everybody wants to reach the home. Nobody wants to stop there and buy something. Imagine here, you are in your car, you're stuck in the traffic for, let's say, 30 minutes, bare minimum. Okay, let's say you are stuck around a red light for 30 minutes in the congested traffic, your car is not moving. What is in your mind? You're thinking about just getting home as soon as possible. That's in your mind, okay? You're not there to do shopping. If somebody comes to sell you something in traffic, your mind is already like wasted. Just don't come near me. I have to get back to my home, right? That's what happens when you have irrelevant traffic. Irrelevant traffic means, okay, you place your link randomly somewhere, and then what? Those people were not expecting any spam from you, or they were not in the buying mood, or they might be doing the same thing which you are doing. You are trying to sell, they're trying to sell. Either nobody's going to buy. I'm trying to sell you, you're trying to sell me. I will not buy from you, you will not buy from me, because we both are trying to sell to each other. So technically, these irrelevant things, irrelevant traffic, this and that, doesn't make sense. Okay, what makes sense is that if you go by, they make money, you make shit. Okay, now this is the business they have to follow. That's their business. You buy this, they make money. You buy these things, they make money. What do you make? Shit? Maybe you do. Okay, so what I said in the beginning, sales comes in two ways: create the need, offer the solution, people will buy. And that has to come when you have some skill. Okay, but there is one way: they don't need the product, but they just like it. Which category do you fall into? There's a third category called the spammers. Spammers means you just spam your affiliate link everywhere. They don't know you, man. They don't know you. You don't make a YouTube video probably. You don't send emails to them on regular basis. You don't have them into your email list. They don't know you. What are you gonna do? You're just gonna spam? You have your affiliate link, so what? You're the king of the world now? Oh, I got my affiliate links approved. So what? What are you gonna do with that link? At least I'm making a video. You can listen to me, and then you can decide if you want to buy from me or not. But when you place your link somewhere, that that's spam. Anyways, I will not waste my time on this. If you want to buy, then you will buy. You will not listen to me. You don't have to. You don't have to. Okay. If you want to go and buy, then go and buy. Who cares, right? But I told you the concepts of sales and traffic here. How sales and traffic works. You trust the person. You are offering a solution. You have the need. People will buy, and you will be able to make sales. Not by spamming or not by some rotators. You could get clicks. Clicks and sales are two different things. I hope you understand. Spam, random traffic can bring you clicks, and bounce rate will be very high. Bounce rate means they will just click on your page and just leave your page in 2 seconds. That's called bounce rate. Not going to any other page on your site. Okay. Anyways, long story short, why am I wasting my time here? So if you want my bonuses, you can go and grab my products called these ones. Check out all my Warrior Plus products. Go and check them out. These traffic things, if they were supposed to make money, they will not be sold. Okay. If this so-called traffic was supposed to bring sales and make money for somebody, then this will be kept for self-business. Nobody will come and put your links on these rotators if they were supposed to bring sales. They will use the traffic themselves. They will not have to come and launch the product. I hope you get that someday. Someday you will understand what I'm saying, but that might be too late. Thanks for watching. Go and buy something from me. Go and buy my software. Go and buy my YouTube program. Buy something from my links below, because I work hard. Okay? Subscribe, like, and share. Till then, take care.